Unveiling the sounds of silence, the acoustic accordion. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, acoustic accordion. This might sound like a musical term to many, but there's more to it than meets the eye or ear. So, whether you're a language learner, a music enthusiast, or just curious, stay tuned as we unfold the layers of meaning and usage behind this captivating phrase. Let's start by dissecting acoustic accordion. The term comprises two words, each rich in meaning and history. Acoustic. This adjective relates to sound or the sense of hearing. It's often used to describe something that produces sound naturally, without electrical amplification. In the context of musical instruments, acoustic refers to instruments that generate sound through natural means, such as the vibration of strings or the air. Accordion. A noun, the accordion is a musical instrument made of a bellows, with keys or buttons on either side. When played, the bellows is expanded and compressed, forcing air through reeds, which produces sound. It's an instrument known for its distinct, rich sound and versatility in various music genres worldwide. Now that we know what both words mean, let's combine them. An acoustic accordion is simply an accordion that operates purely on acoustic principles. Unlike electronic versions or digital accordions that might use amplified sound or electronic effects, an acoustic accordion produces its sound through the physical action of its components. This traditional form of the accordion is celebrated for its warm, organic sound and is used in folk, classical, and a variety of other music genres. Understanding terms like acoustic accordion is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's also about appreciating the cultural and historical contexts of musical instruments and how they intersect with language. For English language learners, exploring phrases related to music can be a delightful way to engage with the language, discover new interests, and connect with people from different backgrounds. Thank you for joining us on this exploratory journey into the world of the acoustic accordion. We hope this video has not only enlightened you about the phrase but also inspired you to delve deeper into the rich vocabulary of the English language. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words but understanding the stories and cultures they represent. Keep exploring, and we'll see you in our next video.